play.
Can you make it to this island?
Yeah, he can. He can go wide.
Okay, go there, though. So basically, I'm counting on us basically telling this,
Oh no, Mosfa's rolling in here. Holy.
That's iCHASE.
Rolling in hot.
Oh, shit.
Space
Did I tell you the wrong
Rolling
thing,
in.
Koala?
You told me between BC.
Oh,
What do
fuck.
you want me to be?
Could you go towards A?
Yeah.
I'm retarded.
No, it's okay.
There's a Stalingrad.
Let's see.
Is iCHASE really gonna motor his fucking Moscow into B? Cause
Smolensk should burn him down.
that's impressively fucking bad if he tries to do that.
We can do that right now.
Go.
You guys
Yeah,
keep him spotted.
Yeah. He's
Yeah, Summers
got
has
him
been
lit.
spotted.
Yeah, I mean he's in radar range of me, but I'll manage. There it is.
I think he's stuck.
Clever, you're booking your ass towards C, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, like, we don't know where all the ships are, right? Like, it's. I
No,
don't need to go
you're
anywhere
gonna
and
get
be able
into
to turn.
C way before that. Like,
Well,
fuck no.
I'm gonna go and I'm gonna reverse in. I'm not gonna just go in. And
The
like,
timing
get
of it
spotted
doesn't-
And then I can't turn or anything because once you go in, it's very hard to get out.
Yeah, but you're gonna get to see
RPF here.
so much before.
Yeah,
that.
that's my
I'll
point.
go-
Just
I'll
fucking
go
go
right
in,
in.
and then if you need to get out, go out through.
They're in D or B. I mean, I'm sorry.
I don't give two shits about.
Daring in A.
He ran aground. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Des Moines here. Oh shit! All right,
He's gonna
turbo
turn out. We'll
activated.
make him turn out. He'll be fine.
Turbo activated.
Did he radar?
No, not yet.
Okay.
iCHASE is driving into those next two torps. He's gonna threat him though. He's lit though.
I'm gonna stop here to see if I can get this cap for free.
Yep, you got the cap for free. Perfect.
Yeah, so they're
All right, now start herding these guys away. Herd these guys towards C
You're a border
or
collie.
towards B.
Let's take down iCHASE. Let's go.
Is anyone else firing on iCHASE, or is this?
I'm working on it to get
Just
shots.
me.
I'm moving into C.
I only
Trying
got
to
10 more
smoke him
seconds.
up. Those torps are headed towards where that smoke was popped.
Okay, I'm gonna radar A soon. Okay,
Yeah.
you guys ready?
All right, I gotta move.
Okay, I won't radar yet.
I got 3 ships already targeting me. 4 ships.
You want smoke? Right here. You can shoot the Stalin.
No, because Starling has
I
radar.
gotta go.
Mosfa's gonna go broadside to our guys here. I believe. Yeah, there he
he's
goes.
going forward again.
Daring.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Small and
Anybody got guns on Daring?
Common does. I'm reloading.
Daring smoke is down and he just fired.
Can we
So
push
please
that Moscow
make
back?
the
Can we get
most
some
of
smoke,
this.
Saints?
Yeah.
We need to kill iCHASE.
Yeah, make him push back, and then he's gonna be broadside to me.
Thank you.
Can we get a DD into A on this island
Uh-oh.
safely? Possible.
Ooh, that's gonna hurt. I might die. Yeah.
Okay, so their main force is at A, guys.
I got killed by Kingpin. I'm gonna go kill myself.
Okay. Understandable.
Those were so bad, Torps too.
Are we able to get? Can we get a DD into A?
Stalingrad's radar's up now.
Okay. After that, can you loop back?
Yes.
Okay.
But I mean, there's gonna be a DD there,
Okay.
I would think.
We gotta watch out for the daring over here.
It won't surprise me if there's a DD coming back here.
Oh
to
shit! I can't.
counter me.
I'm radared. I'm gonna radar here because the daring is spotting me.
Hey, 6K on the Des Moines. We have
There's
shots
the
on
daring.
that.
Watch out for the daring. Watch out for the daring.
All right.
Oh god. Somebody got torped. My engine was out.
You ready to start?
On the Stalin.
Moving down this way. We're gonna
I'm
need
10
help in
kilometers
B.
away from me, Motto.
I'm this daring is coming to me, so
Can anybody shoot this daring here?
yeah.
Yeah. Shots.
Cause I'm about to get single. No radar at B.
I'm gonna
Yeah, our Kremlin is. Guys got no protection on the Kremlin. Oh, just double sitted the Mosfa.
I'm not in a good position here, by the way.
Who?
Blackjack.
I'm gonna radar this daring.
Hey, can we shoot the Moskva?
Can you shoot the daring?
Yeah.
No, they're talking about two different darings.
Oh.
Engine boost off. I have to pull back to a little bit further range.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm pushing up to get shots on the Des Moines.
On torps. Come on, torps. Get them. 1, 2.
Nice, nice.
Oh,
hit.
oh, nice.
Saint.
Perfect.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Come on, guys.
Good
Full
torp,
cell.
Saints.
Getting me.
Oh fuck!
Kremlin is moving into A cap.
Yeah. He's gonna
Thank
fuck
God
me.
his guns are turned the other way. Cause I
Can
pushed
you-
out a
Can you
little.
shoot the outer
too-
Kremlin? Can you shoot-
Daring's coming towards me. I'm still
Okay.
spotted. Daring's here.
Oh, he's turning away. Okay.
They were both.
I've got radar in 10
Resetting,
seconds.
yeah,
I've got
hey.
radar in 10.
Okay.
The Kremlin, shoot him.
I'm located. He's really close to me. I'm spotted. He's within
seconds?
7. Yeah.
Keep running back.
Yeah.
There he is.
Shoot the fuck out of that guy.
Yeah. All do.
He grounded. Kremlin grounded. Need to kill the Kremlin.
That
Uh-oh.
daring is gonna come kill me.
Hit that motherfucker, B-Ray.
Alright, I'm helping you guys on the Kremlin. Well, trying.
I'm still 3 are targeting me.
Torp him, B-Ray.
Mm-hmm.
My
Here, I think you might want to charge him, bro.
I'm getting spotted here.
He'll
Moscow
smoke
spotted.
and
Kremlin's at
I don't know.
48K.
Yeah, and
Torps
Hydra you.
inbound.
well, I don't know if where Des Moines at, so it's just
Can
it's
we get our
very
Yamato
risky.
into B? How much
I got a
XP to
full
get?
life
Yeah.
Yamato, a full life Stalingrad over here.
100. I'm full. I'm
Get
going.
torps in this Kremlin. He might die.
I
No,
just
he's
don't want to
dead.
be broadside to this.
Kremlin's gonna accelerate
I'll
him,
be
I
okay.
think.
I've got
Saints.
plenty
Man,
of
I had Des
backup
Moines and
torps.
Yamato shooting me for about 10 minutes, guys.
I'm watching him right now. You might get 2.
So if y'all had to take advantage of that, you should have.
No, I think I'm gonna get 4 and kill him.
You're gonna get 4 if he doesn't push it. Yeah, he's
Okay,
dead.
he's
So
dead.
daring just dropped his
Perfect.
corpse.
Alright, hey, Daring's in B. Nice Torp, Saints. Good job.
Yeah.
but
Thank you.
Good job. Good job.
Daring is hurting. He just
There's
Took
Mosfa.
5
Can we get
shells.
Mosfa?
Yep.
Nice.
we're gonna get torped here though. That's the only issue by pushing up.
Yeah, daring just used his torps at B.
Now the other daring. There's two
Oh.
daring.
Yeah.
Hey,
Zarx,
Angel, can you
up.
shoot this Yamato? He's fucking broadside.
I am.
Kill this guy.
Okay.
iCHASE is.
Oh, that's bullshit, game.
Did somebody pick up located B-ball? Is that Daring closer to you than me?
Yes.
Oh, hey,
I'm
there's
okay.
Des Moines,
Oh,
Des Moines.
fuck, there's a Des Moines still here. Fuck.
Kill the Mosfa first, then shoot the Des Moines. I mean the Smolensk.
Can you smoke? Can you smoke, Saint?
Can I smoke?
Huh?
Oh yeah, I can smoke, but I'm spotting them.
Yeah, but I need smoke. You can spot them out.
Shots inbound at Blackjack from
Kill the
Yamato.
Mosfa. Kill the Mosfa.
Des Moines turning his guns towards me, I believe.
He radared. Kill the Mosfa. Get rid of the radar.
Oh, no. Daring.
All right, good job. Good job, guys.
AP into that Smolensk.
So I'm not getting any good shots.
Well,
So who
B-ball, you
killed
might want to aim your
iCHASE?
gun. B-ball, you might want to aim your guns left, bro.
I'm
We're
going
5K
forward.
from you coming around that side.
He's been stuck there.
Do you have radar, B-ball?
No, I just did. That's how we spotted the. We need this Des Moines spotted.
I'm gonna need torps. Oh! Nope.
Kill the Daring.
Only one overpen.
Saints, I would probably go guns on an armored strike. You got the HP. Your guns are lasery.
400
dead.
HP on the daring left.
Yeah, that Daring's dead.
All right.
Nice,
Good
nice.
job. Good job, boys.
Hi, Smolensk.
You finally
Oh,
took your
shit,
torps, man.
I did. I got to reset the clock.
Oh, he's in C.
And they're from
Oh, fuck.
Kingpin, too.
The Daring's in C.
Okay.
All right. So I don't need to worry about torps. Why didn't he torp me? The fuck?
Blackjack, you okay?
Wait, is that Kingpin?
Yeah,
Dude,
okay.
Kingpin's a moron. Dude eats glue for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Well, he did torp.
Well,
Hey, Des Moines. What you playing here, bud?
oh.
Mm. He's almost.
B-ball, be nice to the poor fella. He has a family.
Let me kill still B-ball, please.
You better fucking hurry. You got 9 seconds. 3.
Good job.
Good job, guys.
I did like 130 or 140,000
I did
damage.
over
there.
100k with torps.
96.
Not in contention.
I say we won the HP advantage on that one.